Howdy folks, and welcome to this Tuesday talk on the Hillbilly Kitchen. Today we're in one of Bret's favorite spots in the whole world. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. It's my prayer today that you all know God the way that David knew God, and that you have the relationship with our Lord that David had with him when he wrote that psalm. This is going to be a short episode. I hope y'all enjoyed the 23rd Psalm, and I hope you enjoy this location. Thank you so much for joining us in the Hillbilly Kitchen again, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to click like and subscribe before you leave. And until next time, remember to put God first.